Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Alright, my camera is blurry, but don't worry. Okay, concentrate. Let's create an arbitrage deal. So the story is this. Gary Gensler is forced to approve Ethereum ETF as soon as possible, just because Hong Kong a few minutes ago announced that they approved it. They approved Ethereum and Bitcoin ETF. So Gary is pressured by all the big guys to do the same because they're making huge money on fees. Okay, BlackRock, Grayscale, and all those guys, right? They're pressuring Gary. Gary has to approve it, otherwise people will buy it from, let's say, interactive brokers. They will buy this product from Hong Kong. Okay, so the point is this: let's create an arbitrage deal. Let's create a bet, a two bets deal that we can make money. Okay, so the point is this: Hong Kong did approve these. We do an arbitrage. We place two bets. Okay, so we do a call and a put. We buy, betting that it will go up, and we bet another. We buy another contract, a put contract that, let's say, Litecoin or Ripple will go down. If something happens, you never know. Gary may not approve it, and the market can shake. So my advice to you, again, do two bets. Create an arbitrage. We're all euphoric, but as an insurance, place a put bet on, let's say, Ripple. Okay, so think about, go see my other video. Okay, go on artificial intelligence money or hedge for AI 51. Okay, search these, find artificial, click on artificial intelligence money. That's my channel. Click on videos and see this video, how to double your money. It's the same concept. You will double the money in less than 5 weeks because Gary will approve this ETF. I'm expecting Ethereum to go over 4,500, okay, in the next 5 weeks. So place a bet that Ethereum, okay, go on Binance and place a bet that Ethereum by August, go for August or July, all right, and place a bet that Ethereum goes over 4,000, and then same story in the same minute, place a bet that Ripple goes down. Place smaller amount of money for Ripple, but just to collect your principal money if something happens on the market. Just like on Saturday night, a crash, a flash crash happened when Iran made that move with the drones. All right, so that's kind of it. Again, place this arbitrage deal. It's impossible to lose. Thank you very much and have a profitable day.